Welcome to Lane Avail Car Share University. My name is Conrad Layn. Do not start Avail Car Share next year or this year until you watch this video. Quick tip. Before you drop your car over the Avail Car Share platform, this might seem like common sense, but some people don't know this, and I don't think it's common sense. I think sometimes we don't know, even if it sounds simple. Do this. Take as many pictures as possible of your vehicle, all angles, inside and outside, and record a short video inside and outside your vehicle and email it to Avail. You document, you timestamped it. So what happens essentially is if your car comes back with stains that are hard to get out, if your car comes back with scratches that maybe you're not sure how it happened, because remember, you're not checking your car, you're not checking out your car. If Avail's doing this, they're human. They might miss something. They're pretty good though. And even if they don't miss it, they might not just realize that it happened and that trip, they might have thought damage is already there. They take their own pictures, but you just want to make sure to have as much documentation as possible. You email it to them, that timestamps it, so now you can refer back to those pictures. And if something happens, you get documentation, you get your claim paid. Quick tip. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share, Carl, and out.